Okay, go ahead now.
Okay.
And watch your fingers, okay? That's my 2-year-old. That's what you call work. Give me a pound.
No.
Give, no pound. I mean, like, bum my first boobsy. Bush. How much? Yeah, he did this entire row down here. This whole thing. All the way up there. And then on the other side, he did probably, I think, one. Because I gave him one and I couldn't find it. And then he showed me where he put it. He put it right there. And then I gave him all of them to do this entire row. Sam, come and put one more in. Probably gonna put in, you know, just a, come here, baby. Yeah, just want to make it a little straight. All right, here, take one first. What you mean you want all of them? Yep, right there. There you go. Put it in. Hold it. Take your time. Good boy. Watch your fingers. Man, my 2-year-old. That's his soft hammer right there. That's the same hammer Aswa and Chris used to do the wood floor in the house. All right, right here. Let's do this one. Come on. Hey. Sam, no, this one. You got to go all the way around there? All right there.
Right there?
Sure. Hi, Chrissy.
What more?
Right here. We just gonna finish the packing then. Remember you hold it? My construction worker in the making.
What more?
Man, a boy that loves using his hand.
Where are you going?
Right here, baby. That's right. All right, hold this. We got one more. Let's put it, let's see. Let's see, right here. Put it right here, baby boy. Trying to see which one are here. Put it right here. That's your last one. Done?
Yes.
What do you say? All done.
All done.
Putting your finger like you are thinking. I know, right? Where she going like it's hot outside? Girl, don't you see your shirt is short?